Good morning, everybody. I'm Lyndon, and welcome to Crazy for Cars. Out here today, working on the old '64 Plymouth Belvedere that used to be my dad's. Couldn't figure out why there was two broken studs on this one tire, and I broke off another stud trying to get them off, until I came out here today and realized that the driver's side of this car has reverse threads for the lug nuts. So I managed to break all the lug nuts. Can't speak today. I managed to break all the lug nuts free off these tires, and took them off, sprayed them down with WD-40, put them back on, and I went around to the other side, and they are normal thread. So I also spun those all off, WD-40, and put them back on. So I can now remove the tires from the car, and probably just go up to Taylor's here in Medicine Hat and just get some cheap 14-inch tires put on. Maybe I'll get them to pull the tires off first, bring the rims home, and just give them a quick cleaning so they don't look quite so bad. And then, yeah, just some 14-inch tires just so I could roll it around, move it around. And that's, at least I can get the car movable. Open up the trunk today. Used a wire brush and loosened up everything and vacuumed it out. There is some surface rust on the inside of the trunk here, but I'd say that metal still seems pretty solid. So I can just grind her down and coat the inside of the trunk, and that's all I should have to do here. The inner fender wells, both of them seem really good shape. No rust through there on either side either. So that's a good start. Dug out the vacuum cleaner, gave her a quick little vacuum and blowout. It's not in too bad shape inside. We'll have to pull up the floorboard mats one of these days and just make sure the floorboards are okay underneath. But otherwise, she's all there. I do have the glove box lid. Gonna need some visors. Gonna need a lot of stuff, but gonna just keep on working on it. I guess, like I say, the first thing first is pull the tires and rims off, get the rims cleaned up, get a different set of tires on so I can roll it off the trailer. I might need the trailer next weekend. Richmond Car Show is coming up, and I wouldn't mind digging out the El Camino and taking the El Camino out there for a change. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching another episode of Crazy for Cars. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Thank you. Bye.